Okay, boys and girls, it's Mrs. Skinner again. This is part 2 of your math for Tuesday, April 28th. The game in your packet for Tuesday, it's another type of bingo game. You're going to need some scissors to cut the pieces, and you're going to need some things to mark your bingo cards, so maybe pennies again, if you have them. If you don't, then maybe you could cut up little scraps of paper and use those for markers. In your packet, you have these direction pages. What you are going to do first is cut apart all these little cards that are on here. See how each rectangle has cubes? This long line of them is 10, and then little ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's 15. Okay? Each one is a separate amount. You will cut all of these out. Cut on the dotted lines. Okay, so you'll do that first. Then you will cut this page. All this is in your packet. You will cut that page right here. And you and your partner each have a card. Okay? And as you can see, there's a free spot there. Oops. That says free. So you cover that up with your penny right away. That's a free space that everybody gets. Now, when you've cut these up, put them in a bag or an envelope. And when you play, you're going to reach into the bag without looking and pull one out. Okay, I'm just reading the directions here. Figure out how many cubes are on the card. How did you count them? Maybe you counted all the dots. Maybe you just looked and knew that there was 10 and then counted on. Is there another way to count them? So think about that every time you pull out a card. And whatever number you pull out, both of you cover it up on your card. Okay? So let's say that Miss Skinner pulled out this one. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I'll find 15 on my card. My partner would find 15. They have it. So they'll cover it up. Okay, you both get to cover it up for each time. So then when your partner pulls out a card, you cover it up as well. Okay, next. The first player to get 4 in a row in any direction wins the game. And that includes the free space. So remember how we said to cover those up? So already I've got 2 diagonal and my partner has 2 across. So my partner just needs these 2. I just need these 2. So I can win diagonal, across, or up and down. 4 in a row. Okay? You can play this game as much as you would like, and if you want a challenge, there's ideas down here. You could play for when the board is all covered, so you each have to cover the board up completely, or you can write equations on the back of the card. So like if it's a card that shows 10 cubes and then 5 more, you could write 10 plus 5. And play that way. Okay? So that's your bingo game. All these pages are in your packet. You'll just have to do a little bit of cutting. And then save the pieces in an envelope or bag or something. And you can keep playing it all week long. And this game you do not have to bring back with your packet. You can keep that. Okay? Alright, see you guys later.